afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. This is an example here given as 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 12 and second equation as 3 by x minus 2 by y equal to 1. You can see that this equation is not in both the equations are not in the linear form. So we have to bring them or reduce it to linear equations. So how we can reduce this to linear equation? Just observe this 1 by x. If I take it as any other variable as a suppose. So here it will be in place of 1 by x for the first equation it is equal to as a plus then 1 by y equal to, if we take b, then it is a plus b equal to 12. Now this is in the form of what? It is in the form of linear equation. This is in the form of linear equation. But this equation is not in the form of linear equation. So we'll start with the solution as 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 12. We'll take this as equation 1. Then 3 by x minus 2 by y is equal to 1. This as equation 2. So we have to bring or reduce both the equation to a linear equation. Therefore, we will substitute as substituting 1 by x is equal to as a and 1 by, or we can take letter 1 by x is equal to as. Let us take that 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to as b. Therefore, substituting 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y equal to as b in both the equations. So we are going to get equation 1 as a plus b is equal to 12. So this becomes equation 3 now. Because this is equation 1, equation 2, now it is equation 3. And 3 by x, look here, 3 by x can be written as 3 into 1 by x. So therefore here this is equal to as 3 into a or it is equal to 3a. So in place of 3 by x it is 3a minus 2 by y will be equal to as 2b equal to as 1. This becomes equation 4. Now, you will solve it simultaneously here. You can see that this is plus b and this is minus 2b. So, in equation 1, the coefficient is not the same. Here, the coefficient in equation 3 is 1 and in equation 4, it is minus 2. So, therefore, we will bring it in the same coefficient. Therefore, we will multiply equation 3 by 2. So, multiply equation 3 by 2. So, when we multiply equation 3 by 2, every term we have to multiply. So, it is 2a plus 2b equal to 12 2s are 24. This converts now. Equation 3 is converted to equation 5. So, now we can add equations because here it is plus 2b, this is minus 2b with the opposite sign. So, we can add equation 5 and 4. Equation 5 is representing equation 3. So, we have to write this in first place only. Place should not be changed even though the number of the equation changes. So, add equation 5 and 4. So write equation 5 first. 2a plus 2b equal to 24. This is equation 5. Next, equation 4. 3a minus 2b is equal to 1. Equation 4. Now we are adding it. As we add it, this gets cancelled. Plus 2b minus 2b is cancelled. So 2a plus 3a is equal to 5a. This is equal to 24 plus 1 is 25. So therefore a is equal to as 25 by 5, and therefore a is equal to as 5. We got a value equal to as 5. Now we will substitute this a value either in equation 3, 4 or 5, any of the equation, whichever you find it easy. So therefore, substituting the value of a equal to 5 in equation 3. Let us take 3, the easiest equation. So it is a plus b is equal to 12. Equation 3. A is equal to 5 plus b equal to 12. So b is equal to 12 minus 5 when it gets transferred the other side. So b is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore we got the value of b. Now actually we are solving this equation. We have to find the value of x and y. So now we will resubstitute the value of a and b to get the value of x and y. So resubstituting the value of a and b. So look here. A is equal to, we have taken let 1 by x is equal to as a. We have got a value is equal to as 5 and b value is equal to as 7. But what is a? A is equal to 1 by x. That means 1 by x is equal to 5. Now I want to get the value of x. So take this x by cross multiplication. 1 by 5 you bring this side. It becomes 1 by 5 is equal to x. That means therefore x is equal to as what? 1 by 5. We have got the value of x. In the same manner, b value substitute. B is equal to 1 by y. This is equal to 7. In the same manner, again you cross multiply it. 1 by 7 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to as, we have got it as 1 by 7. Therefore, solution of the simultaneous equation. We have got x value as 1 by 5, y value as 1 by 7. Pause कर दे. This is the second example. We'll start with the second example, children, and this is the example I have taken from the textbook practice set 1.4, fourth question. So here you can see even this is not in the form of linear equation. It is given 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. In the second equation, it is given 1 by 2 into 3x plus y. See 3x plus y, 3x plus y here. And then here it is 1 by 3x minus y. Here also it is 1 by 2 into 3x minus y. So let us take again in the same manner we have to substitute this whole as a and this as b. Any other variable also we can take. So let us start this as 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. This as equation 1. The other one is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. This as equation 2. So in the same manner as we have done for the first question, let us take 1 by 3x plus y is equal to as a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to as b. So when we substitute this in the equation 1, it is this whole thing is equal to as a. It is a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. This becomes equation 3. But we will not name it as now as 3 because we have got the constant number as a rational number. So we will convert it into whole number by multiplying the equation by 4. Multiply the equation by 4. Multiply the equation by 4. So we get it in the form of as what? 4a plus 4b is equal to, we'll get it in as 3. Name this equation as now equation 3. Come to the second equation here. Again this whole thing, look here, it is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y. So this whole thing can be converted as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y in this form. So this whole thing can be substituted as a. This is equal to 1 by into a. So it is now a by 2 here. So here in the same manner it is, here also it will be b by 2. So therefore second equation gets converted as what? It is a by 2. A by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now here we want to get rid of this denominators here. So 2, 2 and this 8. We can multiply this by the LCM of 2, 2 and 8. LCM of 2, 2 and 8. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fours are 8 and 4. So 4 twos are 8. LCM is equal to as 8. So therefore multiply the equation by 8. When I multiply this first term by 8, it is a by 2 into 8. Means 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So it gets converted as 4a. So this is 4a minus this will be 4b is equal to 1 by 8 multiplied by 8. 8 gets cancelled, that is equal to as minus 1. So this is now equation 4. So you can see that we have got equation 3 and equation 4. Simple linear equation in two variables. Now these two linear equations, these two equations will solve it simultaneously. You can see it is plus 4b minus 4b. Opposite sign again. So therefore we can add the equations. So when we add the equations, so add equation 3 and 4. So we'll write equation 3 and 4. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3, that is equation 3. Then equation 4 is 4a minus 4b is equal to as minus 1. This is equation 4. So add this b gets cancelled. 4a plus 4a is equal to as 8a. This is equal to 4. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So a is equal to as 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Therefore a is equal to as 1 by 4. So we got a is equal to as 1 by 4 value. Now let us substitute this a value 1 by 4 in any one of the equation, either 3 or either 4. So let us take 3. Substituting the value of a is equal to 1 by 4 in equation. Let us take 3. Equation 3. So look at equation 3. It is 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This is equation 3. So in place of a you write 1 by 4. So 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4b is equal to as 3. Now here 4 gets cancelled. So only 1 is remaining. 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. So this 1 I will transfer there to the other side. 4b is equal to as 3 minus 1. So 4b is equal to as 2 here now. Now b is equal to as 2 by 2. 2 by 4. So therefore b is equal to as 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 to the 4. 1 by 2. So we got b value equal to as 1 by 2. Now we have to find out value of x and y. So we have to resubstitute the value of a and b. So resubstituting the value of a and b. We know that a is equal to, a value we have got it as 1 by 4 and b value we got it as 1 by 2. But we have substituted a is equal to as what? 1 by 3x plus y. So a is equal to as 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. And here b is equal to as 1 by 3x minus y is equal to as 1 by 2. In place of a, we have written the a value, and place of b value is there. So now we have got this as a rational number both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. So now we can cross multiply and bring them in the linear form again. So if we cross multiply it by cross multiplication, for both the equations we have to do cross multiplication. So here 1 into this you will get the same. Therefore it is 3x plus y is equal to 4 into 1 equal to 4. Now you see that again we have got linear equation in two variables. Very simple linear equation in two variables. Here we have got the equations as numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So therefore we can name this as equation 5. In the same manner this one, the other one. Here again if we cross multiply, see 1 into this we get 3x minus y is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So this equation we can name it as equation 6. So again we have got, with the help of the value of a and b resubstituting, we have got again two linear equations in two variables. Very simple linear equations. You can see plus y minus y. So again we have to add the equations to get the value of x and y. Add equation 5 and 6 now. So rewrite it again. 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation 5. 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 6. So we are going to add it. 3 plus 3x is equal to as 3x plus 3x is 6x. Y gets cancelled here. It is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So x is equal to 6 by 6. Therefore we got x is equal to as 1. We got the value of x is equal to 1. Now we can substitute the value of x in any one of the equation, either 5 or 6, because equation 5 and 6 is built. Very simple linear equation here. So substituting the value of x equal to 1 in equation, let us take equation 5. So equation 5 I will write 3x plus y equal to as 4. So x is equal to as 1. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to as 4. So 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. I will transfer 3 the other side. It is minus 3. So y is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore I have got y is equal to as 1. Therefore, solution of the simultaneous equation. I have got x value as 1, y value as also as 1. So, in this way, equations reducible to pair of linear equations, we have to reduce it in this form, bring it in the linear form, and then by substituting it as, see, this is equal to as a and b, and then again by resubstituting it after getting the value of a and b, we can find the value of x and y.